Okay, for 738, they're just asking us how compound interest works again. So it's compounded annually. So he starts with 125,000, so that's the zeroth or the y-intercept. And the interest rate is 6.25. So if the interest rate is 6.25, written as, if I write 6.25%, as a decimal, that would be 0.0625, which means that then the multiplier, what you multiply 1 year by to get to the next, would be 1.0625. So there's my multiplier. So I have my initial value on my multiplier, so my equation is y equals the initial value, 125,000, times 1.0, let me make that clearer, 1.0625 to the x, or t if you want to specify t, right, for time. Okay, so that's part A. And then part B says how much money will be in the account when he retires in 23 years. So we substitute in. So I take y equals 125,000 times 1.0625 to the t, which is 23 years. And I type that into my calculator, 125,000, 1.0625, raised to the 23, and I get $504,052.30. So this guy Dusty will have $500,000, $504,000 in the time it takes him to retire in 23 years. Thus, the power of compounded interest.